move on and we'll be completing exercise 1C today. And obviously this is where we're adding fractions. Of course, as you know, we need to have the common denominator. All right, so if you're doing a third of 3 courses, pop them both over 12. For part B, for B here, because we've got 2x and 3x on the denominator, you're going to go and make 6x the denominator. For part C, because you've got x plus 3 and x plus 1, your combined denominator is going to be x plus 3 times x plus 1. So that first term, the 2 over x plus 3, you've got to multiply top and bottom by x plus 1. And the second term, where you're taking away the 1 over x plus 1, you've got to multiply top and bottom by x plus 3. Okay, in D here, you've just got to spot that the denominator of the second term is the difference between 2 squares. So that's x plus 1, x minus 1. And then you make that x plus 1, x minus 1 the common denominator by multiplying the first term, top and bottom, by the x minus 1. Now, you might all have different experiences on how much of this you've done at IGCSE or GCSE, okay? So we'll see how quickly you rattle through this. It may be you all find it fine. It may be that some of you need a bit more time. So we're just going to go and do exercise 1C, please. I think we might as well try and do it all, because you're going to be rusty and you need the practice, or you're going to find it ever so easy and you're going to rattle through the easier ones. So if we could just try and do all of exercise 1C. I don't mind if you leave the lesson, but if you do, can you just go and message me on Teams at the end of the hour how far you've got? So that will just help plan next lesson. Okay, so your choice, whether you hang around for some help or you dip in or you dip out or you go, but please do crack on with it now, because I want to make a judgment call on whether we need to do more on this or whether we can move on to the next bit on Thursday. So either hang on and just tell me verbally at the end of the lesson, or please just message me if you've left the meeting. Thanks, guys. So I'm just going to stop the recording now.